Next on our list is font size CSS property. Changing the typeface isn't the only way to customize text. Oftentimes, different sections of a web page are highlighted by modifying the font size. To change the size of text on your web page, you can use the font size property, and it looks like this. So font size and then the value. In the example above, the font size of all paragraphs was set to 18 pixels. Pixel means pixels and is a way to measure font size. You also have other units, but in this case we are using pixels. Instructions. In style.css, set the font size of paragraph elements to 18 pixels. And let's find the P selector. Okay. Font size should be set to 18 pixels and save our code. And now our paragraphs are a little bit larger. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.